Hello and welcome to my channel. This is a kitchen rag I made using reclaimed material. Let's see how I made it. I found some kitchen baskets which were thrown away after some kitchen renovation. These are some old bed slats from which I prepared this stock. I marked 3 inches from the top and bottom. With a dry square, I marked the top and the bottom. This thinner piece will go on the top while the thicker piece will go on the bottom. I aligned this piece with the pencil line and marked the other side. Using a square, I transferred these lines to the other piece. To mark the mortise, I come 6 mm from both sides of the pencil line to create a shoulder. Using my mortise gauge, I find the center and mark my mortise. I repeat the same on all the other pieces. Using a knife, I also mark 2 ends of the mortise. This is the position of my mortise. With a 8 mm chisel, I create the mortise. I start away from the knife wall and I start chopping. Then I continue chopping and remove the waste by leveraging. I'm not worried about the edges as I am away from the knife wall. Even if some bruises happen, it will be hidden under the shoulder. I mark the depth of the mortise on my chisel so that I go no deeper or shallower than my required depth. Now I mark the tenon. Using a dovetail saw, I saw the tenon. I missed to mark the shoulder, so I mark it with the marking gauge. I created a knife wall all around to help me guide the saw. I used a dovetail saw to remove the waste. It is time to fit them together. My tenon is too thick, so I need to do some cleanup in order for it to go in. Finally, the tenon fits in the mortise. I made the other 7 joints off camera. Now I wanted to create a rounded profile for the top. In order to do that, I marked a semicircle using my oil can. And remove the bulk of the waste with a chisel. I refined it further with a cabinet file. Now all my roundovers are ready. Since these are reclaimed material, it has some nail hole, which I fill with sawdust and glue. I removed the sharp edges with a hand plane and sanded with 220 grit sandpaper as I plan to apply shellac. After I applied shellac, it is time for me to fix the baskets with screws. and this is the final product. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing.